Hi, good morning. Yeah, this one only. Yeah, actually, egg green. I don't know before and all. In the restaurant, I used to see they used to give me very round and nice one. Yeah, how they are making. I found out this one today. My daughter going to cook with the egg. Which dish I don't know. She will tell that one. Please explain for us.
So today I'm making khagina. It's a YouTube recipe that I saw.
Very
Not on my
bad, yeah.
mom's.
Always she won't watch my video and cook. She's going to watch somebody else, but it's good only. Why I'm telling, we can learn so many things. Okay, fine. Anyhow,
No, I watch her videos also, but this is a new video that I watched and it was a viral video. So the egg recipe is called khagina.
Kagina.
Yeah.
Okay, come Kagina, come.
Okay, Mama, come on, yeah. Mainly you need eggs, then you need garlic and chili powder, and on top you need the green chili and the curry leaves. That's like karvepaka and the buns. Now put this garlic in this,
Okay,
and
using the garlic.
I'm not following the exact recipe I saw on Instagram,
Acha, I don't know that. Yeah.
but little
Next.
interpretation and little this chili powder you can put.
You take 1 spoon, madam. Chili powder also inside in this only. Yeah. Okay.
This much is enough for so much garlic,
Yeah.
and mash it. Yeah, that's it.
Ready.
Enough. Now we
Yes.
can put it inside this and keep it
Hmm.
for cooking the eggs.
Okay.
That's all.
Don't keep it. We can put it like this itself, no?
Okay.
Not necessary to keep
From
it
this
inside
you
that.
can remove
Yeah,
it.
we can.
It'll be difficult. I'll just put some
Okay,
here.
no problem. Whatever you see that what is convenient for you.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Now heat up the pan.
Now heat up the pan. Main tip is when you're using the egg, like it should be very hot. This otherwise it won't. It will stick. But anyhow, we are using oil in this mostly. Okay. Now I'm using the oil.
Yeah, little bit of
Little
oil.
only. Sorry. Okay. Now this is ready. Yeah, like this. Hey, come on, yeah. What are you doing here? It's not even, no. Just, I'll do like this. Yeah. Now, this is only good task for me. Okay, medium flame. Yeah.
Yeah.
Immediately you have to high flame. Otherwise, the round won't come.
And then now you put this little.
No, let
Okay.
that. Otherwise,
No, it shouldn't overcook. That's why.
Oh,
When
okay.
it's still cooking, you can add the masala.
Okay, now I can add the
Yeah, add this paste.
not namak, no?
You
First,
can add namak also.
Yeah, first I will add the namak.
Very little.
Yes. Now?
Now this. With your hands just around it.
Yeah. It become very sticky.
Enough.
Okay.
Enough. Then put this chili little and karveka.
Chili, huh? I love chili, so.
This is too much. Enough.
Okay. Sorry.
For
Yeah.
others.
Next
For
thing-
yourself, put less because it will be too spicy. Then put curry leaves. Enough.
Okay.
Little only. That's all. And if you want, you can put a lid and close it. Otherwise, just let it cook like that. It will cook nicely.
Because we can't put the lid. Lid also we can put it.
We
There is
can
no
put-
problem. Yeah. I will see my lid is here.
Maybe you can put a little bigger lid and just let it cook.
Yeah.
You can put it in the burger bun and have. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay. But not eating also bun? No.
The bun, if you want toasted, you can toast it. I like it little soft like this. Some people like it little toasted. So it's up to your personal preference.
Okay, Shafji.
And this is the Hyderabadi recipe.
Okay. Good only then. This is coming like this. So. No, somebody wanted, no, like yellow color and also. No turning, nothing. We have to cook like that.
You don't have
only.
to turn it.
Okay, then.
If you cook with the lid, it will cook fully. So
Yeah,
you don't have
okay,
to
no
turn.
problem. Then we can make the
Low flame and
Low
you
flame.
can let it cook for about 2-3 minutes or
yeah.
Little more also, depending on
But
how
very
much.
easy.
Easy
and,
recipe.
Protein based also.
Yeah, and
All-
quick.
Chutkiyon mein aise. Push.
For us, this is easier.
I know.
Long
if you are
recipes
staying in
yeah.
hostels and college and
Yeah.
morning going, running, going and make it one omelette.
Omelette and I eat it fast. And it's a little Indian, so I like it.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Huh?
Ready. Very easy.
Very, very easy. Naira can also make, I
Make,
think so.
yeah.
This one. See, and how beautiful, nice actually. You can toss it like round. I'll take this one. Yeah.
That's it.
Now, this is a steel pan. See how no sticky, nothing. How like moon only this is. Round. See.
Wow.
Yeah, same size only, no?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, exactly same size. This one. Like this. Now, if I want to eat, I always put little more chili flakes actually. I love it like that.
I
Now,
think this is a lot already.
close it. Now take it like this. I think this is especially for you're going somewhere very, you don't have time, very urgent. Quickly you want to go. Now you can make this one and take one bite like this. Come now, you can taste youngsters one. This is. इतना बड़ा ले रही है छोटा. Ay, Bhagwan. Nice, huh? Very good.
My recipe.
Okay, now you people can also try this one and enjoy. Very easy, like this only magic.